We're continuing to follow developing news as the Omicron COVID-19 variant has been identified here in the Bay State. Good evening and thanks for joining us on Western Mass News at 6. I'm Matt Satilli. As many people prepare to travel for the holidays, concern is rising over the spread of the new variant. We wanted to know what local airports are doing amid new travel restrictions. Western Mass News reporter Lexi Oliver is getting answers for us tonight, and she joins us live in studio with more. Lexi?
Matt, U.S. health officials say they've detected the new Omicron variant in more than a dozen states. That now includes Massachusetts, where the first case of the variant was identified yesterday. Officials say a woman in her 20s from Middlesex County tested positive. Health experts still don't have a lot of information on the variant, but the Biden administration is once again tightening air travel regulations. Starting tomorrow, all inbound international travelers must test negative for COVID-19 within 1 day of departure for the United States. That new rule applies to all passengers 2 years and older. The country is also still restricting entry to travelers from South Africa and 7 other African nations. We wanted to know if Bradley International Airport is adding any extra precautions amid the new variant. A spokesperson for the Connecticut Airport Authority, Ryan Tenney, tells us in part, quote, "The measures in place are not specific to any one variant, but rather serve as a comprehensive approach throughout the pandemic. We always remain flexible should there be specific guidance or additional change measures that would further strengthen our plans. We work collaboratively with our airlines and business partners to ensure passenger safety throughout the entire journey at BDL, and will continue to do so during the holiday season and beyond." Tenney goes on to say that Bradley continues to offer in-terminal COVID testing as well as periodic vaccine and booster shot clinics. Face coverings are still mandatory at the airport and on all planes. Live in studio, Lexi Oliver, Western Mass News.